Welcome to Target Chemistry. Now here I am going to discuss about some heterocyclic compound like pyrrole, pyridine, isoquinone, quinone, indole, etc. Okay. Now first of all discuss about pyrrole, and this is the structure of the pyrrole. Here we see that the lone pair present on nitrogen atoms are delocalized with this ring, and we see that each carbon atom gets negative charge, whereas whereas the nitrogen atom gets positive charge. Okay, so nitrogen donates lone pair to the ring and increase the electron density of the ring. Here 6 electron, that is 2 lone pair and 4 and 2 pi electron, that is 4 pi electron, and that means total 6 electron are distributed over 5 atoms. Therefore all the carbon atoms have greater electron density than benzene. In case of the benzene, the 6 pi electron are delocalized over 6 carbon atoms. Okay, that's why in this case, like furan and pyrrole, thiophene, in each cases the electron density on carbon atoms is greater than the electron density or carbon atom of benzene. Okay, however delocalization is not an extensive in furan because of high electronegativity of oxygen, and so the lone pair are held more tightly by the oxygen. Okay, so in case of sulfur, sulfur is less electronegative than oxygen and nitrogen, so thiophene is the highest resonance energy, whereas furan has least. Okay, all these heterocycles have lower resonance energy than benzene. Okay, now if we consider about aromaticity, then we know that the aromatic character of thiophene is more than pyrrole and also than furan. Okay, so the aromaticity order becomes thiophene greater than pyrrole greater than furan. Okay, now if we see the structure of pyrrole, here we can see that this pyrrole only can form hydrogen bonding. So this molecule, that is pyrrole molecules, actually form hydrogen bonding molecule, and that's why the boiling point of this pyrrole is much higher than those of thiophene or furan. Okay, that's why the boiling point 130 degrees centigrade. Okay, now these three are undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction and more reactive than benzene. Why? Because increase electron density on each carbon atom. Okay, now pyrrole, if we see the structure here, these lone pair present on nitrogen atoms are actually localized or delocalized with this ring. Okay, so this lone pair does not protonate with any other acid or base of H plus, because after protonation of this nitrogen, then it's lost aromaticity. Okay, that's why pyrrole is an extremely weak base, because its pair of non-bonding electrons are part of the pi cloud. If pyrrole is protonated, it lost its aromaticity. Okay, now if we think about pyridine, the structure of the pyridine, this, and the lone pair present on nitrogen atoms are not delocalized with this ring, and this nitrogen atom is sp2 hybridized. Okay, as this lone pair are not localized with this ring, this nitrogen gets protonate. Okay, and the pyridine does not lose its planarity or does not lose its aromaticity. That's why it behaves as a tertiary amine, or you can say that it behaves as a base, and the basicity of this pyridine is much more greater than the pyrrole. Okay, now if we see here that here the lone pair is more available for donation, and the Kb value is 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 9, and the Kb value for pyrrole 2.5 10 to the minus 14. Okay, now if we consider the basicity of these three molecules, that's pyridine, aniline, and simple ammonia. So we know that ammonia is sp3 hybridized. The nitrogen atom present in aniline is also sp3 hybridized, and the nitrogen atom present in pyridine is sp2 hybridized. And we know that the electronegativity of the sp3, sp2, sp are in this order. Okay, and that's why the more availability of electron present on this nitrogen, and for also for protonation, that's why it behave as more basic than this and then this. Why this aniline shows less aromatic, less basic character than ammonia? It is because simple, because here lone pair present on nitrogen atoms are delocalized with this benzene ring. That's why availability of lone pair losses and basicity decreases than this. Okay, now if we consider these two structure, the pyridine with this structure, here we see that this nitrogen atom is sp3 hybridized, but the nitrogen is sp2 hybridized. That's we can say that sp3 hybridized structure or sp3 hybridized nitrogen is more basic character than sp2 hybridized character also. And also we can say that the less electronegativity than pyridine and more available for protonation. Okay, here are some example of pyridine of indole. That is, we can say that this aromatic involves lone pair of heteroatom, and 5-member rings are more prone to attack by electrophilic reagents. Okay, now if we see the structure of indole, here we can see that the lone pair on nitrogen atom are delocalized with this 5-member ring, and here we can see the negative charge present on at C3 position, at C3 and also C2 position. Okay, so we discuss about this indole later. First of all, we see that the main structure of quinolene and isoquinolene, and here the structure of quinolene and isoquinolene. So these are the weak bases and slightly more basic than pyridine but less basic than aniline, since the nitrogen in quinolene and isoquinolene is more electronegative, being sp2 hybridized compared to sp3 hybridized nitrogen of anilines. Isoquinolene has higher dipole moment. This isoquinolene has higher dipole moment than this quinolene molecule. Okay, so these are the some basic introduction of heterocyclic atoms. Now in our next video we discuss about the reaction of pyridine, pyrrole and many other reaction. Okay, thank you for watching.